Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. I want you to support my business and I want to tell you what I've been doing behind the scene, what I've been doing. And I want to use this video to appreciate Handmade Satwatran. I'm going to put it here for allowing me to display my product in their store at downtown Cornwall, right, China. It's really big for me. So I'm going to be unboxing some stuff I made through Canva, and you can also sell digital products also. So if you need some of this, you can book some one-on-one section with me in my description box. So before any further ado, let's just dive into this video because I just don't want you to be bored and I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you. So once again, my name is Bunmi, TechwithBunmi. I welcome you to my channel, and officially I'm a digital marketing consultant. I help people to build their websites, to put their business online, in the online presence. I help you to put your website on the top #1 on Google. So if this is what you want me to do, just contact me. So this video is about introducing my business to you, and alongside I do online classes. If you want to attend my affiliate marketing school, then this is the right place. There's going to be a link in my description box. You need to subscribe to it. It's a paid one, $200 Canadian dollars, okay? And it's fully loaded, really fully loaded, that you won't want to miss one bit of it. All right, so if this is what you call, it's called the Bunmi Premium School. So if you want to join my school, okay, just go to my description and you subscribe and you sign up for it. Okay, then the other one that I have, I've told you several times on my video, I made some digital product. This is a journal I made, and it's a very interesting journal. Okay, it's a journal that will help you to straighten your activities, your day-to-day activities for the year 2022, from January to December. It's not too late to purchase yours. Okay, my website will be in the description box. We have it in 2 different dimensions. We have this in two different designs. If you like this design, and I'll put the second design, I'll put the picture here, you indicate. And I also have the printable one. If you will decide that, oh, you don't want to purchase this whole package from me and you want to print on your own and do it the way you want and start using it, it's there. If you want the printable downloadable one, it's just $20. Okay, but if you want me to send this to you plus shipping and sending and doing all this like this, it's $40. Okay, so I hope you support my business. This is going a long way, and you can find this book also in Handmade Satwatran. It's discounted there. You get it in the store at $35. So if you are in Canada or China, you can purchase yours there. Thank you. And the main thing for today is, can you see this box? I'm going to be unboxing. We'll be unboxing it together. Okay, I made some digital products. This is digital frame. They are wall frame that you can also use for school activities like daycare, educational print. Okay, I have it in printable downloads too. If you want the download, it's on my website. You get the printables with $8. But if so, now let's just, I've opened some and we'll open some together. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm just removing it from my from the stripes. So you rate my designs, okay? So this is Big Dream. I hope you're liking what you're seeing. This is one of the design I made, okay? For schools, for daycare, anything for your children room. You can hang it, and if you have an apartment that you cannot nail on the wall, you can buy this stapler. Is that Staples? You can find it at Staples. I can't remember the actual name. You put it and you paste it on your wall. Okay, so this is my design number 1, and I love this design too. Be positive. Okay, I hope you love what I'm saying. Be positive. So all this I'm just unboxing for you to see. Can you see? Isn't this beautiful? I'm going to be hanging this behind me here. I'm going to be setting up some office. I'll be hanging this behind me, so you'll be seeing this often in my videos from now on. So this is it. My set is everything. So patronize me. I have this also. Let's read. You can put this in your children's room, daycare, anywhere you want to put it, but they're for children, okay? Let's read. And I also have motivational frame, motivational print. If you want downloadable ones, you can visit my website. This I've not opened, so we'll be opening it together. It's really packaged. So I'm looking forward for your patronage. Send me a mail. This is daily affirmations for children. Do you like it? Daily affirmation: I believe in myself. I am learning each day. My voice matters. I don't give up. I am doing my best. I am unstoppable. Okay? Do you want this for yourself? I also have them on my website. And if you want the printables too, then you can also purchase your printables and print out at home. Okay? And in my other videos, I'm going to be telling you how to. I have done some videos on it, but I'm going to be teaching us how to make money selling digital templates. Okay? So if you're watching, why not subscribe and join the tech family? So this is the one I love again, the ABC alphabet, for your children to learn the alphabet. For this, all these are educational wall art for schools, for daycare, for your children's room. So what are you waiting for? Go to my description, or I'm going to pin it also in the comment section, and patronize the girl. Okay, they're so affordable. And I have customized shirts. I have customized cup. If you want to customize your cup, I'm going to do a separate video on that. Okay, I have a customized cup for you, and you will see. Just patronize a girl and I give you the best. Okay, so let's continue with this video. I don't want it to be too short. I think we have 2 left. I don't want this video to be too long. So I hope you love what you're seeing. So we are unboxing together. Can you see? Right from the carton. Keep going, never give up. I have this also. All available on printables, okay? And if you want the canvas also, you can also purchase yours too if you want canvas in different sizes. I have it on my website with different sizes. So get yours today. Thank you. And if you want to customize your children's room and you have some designs, you can also get in touch. So this is the final one that I will be showing us today. This is playroom rules. Like if you have a playroom for your kids, the rules and regulations they must follow. Okay, use kind words, dream big, play fair, clean up, explore and create. Say please and thank you. Have fun. So is this what you like? If you love all the things I've shown you in this video, why not patronize the girl? And don't forget again, I'm a digital marketing consultant. I help you with your business, I help you with the growth of your business, and I also help you with your website. And alongside, I sell digital products. Okay, so support your girl and see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out all my websites. Okay, bye for now.